Good afternoon. Welcome to ShirtPocket Productions, my YouTube channel. This is actually being recorded specifically for my YouTube channel. It is not being recorded on Instagram Live. It is not being recorded on Facebook Live or Facebook or for Instagram. This is specifically for YouTube. In the last couple of days, I've seen my subscribers mushroom considerably. Now, I'm not talking about thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands. I'm talking about specifically a couple of hundred new subscribers. And so this video is actually specifically to welcome you, my new subscribers. Since you clicked the subscribe button, are getting a notification of this video. And if you actually followed up on that notification and you're watching this video, I want to welcome you personally to ShirtPocket Productions and tell you a little bit about ShirtPocket Productions. You likely found this channel because you clicked on the link I posted or somebody shared to the King of the Baggers race last Sunday. And that was a pretty spectacular race. I enjoyed it last October when the inaugural event ran at Laguna Seca. I shared it then. And I got the entire race, including the pre-race bullshit and the post-race bullshit, this time through a screen capture. I subscribed to Moto America's season events, and so I'm able to watch it online, and I did a screen capture of that entire race for you all. I don't know if I'm violating copyright stuff from Moto America or not. If I am, they don't care yet. And in reality, they probably wouldn't anyway, because it's actually helping them at this point. If I become too big a fish, they will, and they'll shut me down, or shut the video down. But at the moment, they don't, and it helps me find you, or helps you find me. Most, if not all of you, have not gone back and looked at my archives, nor would I expect you to. I don't look at the new channels I subscribe to's archives either, with a couple of exceptions. There's nothing of any real entertainment value back there. There's a couple of channels like Wavy Boats. I don't know if any of you look at Wavy Boats. It's a pretty cool channel. If you like watching boats try to navigate rough surf, trying to get in and out of Haulover Inlet in Florida, it holds some entertainment value for a while, but even it is starting to get old. I have a lot of ride video on my channel. I have a lot of commentary video about life and motorcycles and shit like that. And I'm also going to have some build video for this 1950/1960 panhead project I've got going on back here. The motor I'll be putting in there is a 1950 FL panhead motor and transmission. The drivetrain is going to be 1950, which means it'll be titled as a 1950. That frame, that roller, is a 1960 panhead frame, drop seat swing arm frame. But most of it's not a 1960, just the frame is. Anyway, it's a chopper project I'll be building. It's actually in process. I've had the soul of that bike for a couple of years, maybe more than that, but it's been sitting around doing nothing but gathering dust. It's finally off the ground, and I'm pretty excited about that. I'll be documenting that as well in this channel. And summer's coming, and I do a lot of ride video, a lot of long distance rides, and I've been going to Sturgis every year for the last several years. And I'll be documenting that and some other rides as well. So I don't know how much of that interests you or not. I caught your attention because of that King of the Baggers race. I'm planning on going to the event at Laguna Seca in July. If I have 1,000 subscribers, and if I have enough viewing hours at that point, I can actually go YouTube live for that event. And if I do have that kind of subscribership and I meet the qualifications for YouTube to go live through a mobile device, I'll bring it to you live. I'll set up a tripod, I'll get a GoPro out there, and I will bring that entire race to you live. And you won't have to watch it with the commentary of the guys in the booth, which some of you commented were not too thrilled with. I concur. They don't seem to know a lot about big touring V-twins, which is not surprising. Anyway, I do want to welcome you to ShirtPocket Productions. If any of this stuff you think might interest your friends, ask them to come check it out. Hit the subscribe button. The more subscribers I get, the closer I get to that 1,000 threshold, and the viewing hours I will, accumulate it, the more subscribers I get. And if I can hit that mark by July, middle of July, I can bring it to you live. I don't want to be one of those guys that says, smash that subscribe button, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm not promoting yet. ShirtPocket Productions, and I often refer to us as the good folks. It's just me. And I have not made one red cent on this channel, nor do I really care if I do or not. If I can monetize this channel, great. If not, whatever. I was surprised to have the interest I did, and I'm not exactly trying to capitalize on it, but if I can, I can. And I'm interested in the same things you guys are. So I watch the stuff that I'm interested in, and if you guys care about this shit, hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends. Share this video. Share the Battle of the Baggers video even more. And maybe we'll get there. And if you don't care, that's cool too. This is, again, not my bread and butter. This is not how I pay the bills. This is what I do on the side. And to be perfectly honest, most of the old school bike stuff I do is on Instagram. That's where half the people I follow there are into pans and knuckles. Anyway, I will post this on YouTube. I'll share it to my Facebook page. There's a Facebook page called ShirtPocket Productions. There's actually two of them. Mine is the page that has a picture of a Harley-Davidson shirt pocket with an iPhone sticking out of it. ShirtPocket Productions. There's actually a video on there that tells the story of how the name came to be. And there's also an Instagram page called ShirtPocket Productions as well. My handle on Instagram is @BikerProfessor. Don't really care for the term biker, and although I am a professor, I only use that title in the classroom at the college I teach at, the university I teach at. Anyway, I probably already talked too long. I don't know how many of you are still with me. But again, if you like this stuff, this kinds of stuff, motorcycles and touring and contemplating life and the open road, subscribe. Doesn't hurt, doesn't cost anything. Anyway, till next time, peace.